So I want to tell a little bit about, again, with the whole, relationships, right? If there's anyone where you're like getting some resistant, right? Because not everybody is maybe outgoing, or maybe not everybody is picking up that phone, or maybe are not responsive, as you just said. So what do you do when you meet that kind of personality?
I think you just look for your commonality with anyone. I think that we all can find something in common with every single person.
Yeah.
And you find out what are their care about, and then you can build a relationship together. So it is just determining, and also determining how do they like to communicate.
Yeah.
So some people might not like talking on the phone at all, or they might not like their face being on the screen.
Yeah.
So if they really prefer email or prefer text or however they want to communicate, learning with each key person how to best communicate with that person, because we're all individual.
Yeah.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sanna Winding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.